Want to create a WordPress website on GoDaddy? In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on your GoDaddy hosting account in just a few easy steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Under Web Hosting, find your hosting plan and click on Manage. In your hosting control panel, look for the One-Click Installs option, usually located in the cPanel. Click on it and you'll see an option for WordPress. Click on WordPress and then hit the Install button. GoDaddy will guide you through the installation process. Select the domain you want to install WordPress on and choose the directory where you want to install it. For most, leaving it blank will install WordPress on the main domain. Next, create your WordPress admin username and password. Make sure you choose a strong password to secure your site. Once everything is set, click Install. The process usually takes just a few minutes. Once WordPress is installed, GoDaddy will provide a link to your new WordPress site and admin dashboard. Go ahead and click on the link to visit your site and log into your WordPress dashboard using the username and password you created. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on GoDaddy hosting and are ready to start building your site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy and WordPress tutorials.